If I told you the most powerful fat loss peptide is not actually the fat loss peptide at all? The thing that improves sleep, recovery, skin, aging, and metabolism is the same thing that quietly controls how much fat your body burns. Today, we are talking about the peptide called Sermorelin and why it's misunderstood as just another weight loss tool when in reality, it's one of the most foundational peptide in a human physiology. If you ever struggle with stubborn fat, slow recovery, bad sleep, or feeling older than you should, this video is going to change how you think about peptides forever. I am Jay Patel. I'm a certified PA here at MyFitMed. This channel is about metabolic health, hormones, peptides, and functional medicine, explained without hype or fear. This video is educational only. I'm a medical provider, just not your medical provider. But if you want to understand how the body really uses peptide to control fat, recovery, aging, and performance, this is where their story begins. Most people think fat loss is about burning calories, but the real driver is growth hormone signaling. Growth hormone controls fat metabolism, muscle preservation, recovery, skin quality, sleep, mitochondrial function, aging pathway. If growth hormone signaling is weak, no fat loss peptide will work well. And this is where Sermorelin is different. Why it's different? Sermorelin is not a growth hormone. It is a growth hormone releasing a hormone, GHRH. This means it tells your pituitary gland to release your own growth hormone in a natural pulsatile rhythm. This is critical. Your body evolved to release growth hormone in pulses during deep sleep and recovery. Sermorelin amplifies that rhythm instead of overriding it. That's why it behaves differently than direct fat loss peptide. So why is growth hormone a fat loss hormone? It's because growth hormone increases lipolysis, preserves muscle, improves insulin sensitivity, increases mitochondrial activity. When growth hormone is high, your body burns fat more easily. When growth hormone is low, fat becomes locked in storage. Sermorelin doesn't force fat loss. It restores the hormonal environment where fat loss becomes natural. Let's compare Sermorelin with other peptides and see how Sermorelin differs from the other fat loss peptides. AOD 9604. It targets fat metabolism directly, but it does not improve sleep, does not restore growth hormone rhythm. MOTS-C. It improves mitochondrial metabolism, does not stimulate growth hormone. Ipamorelin CJC 1295 combo. They stimulate growth hormone release, but without the hypothalamic control that Sermorelin provides. Sermorelin restores the entire hypothalamic pituitary growth hormone axis. That's the difference between pressing the gas pedal and repairing the engine. Let's talk about Sermorelin and sleep connection. Growth hormone is released during deep sleep. Poor sleep equals low growth hormone equals poor recovery and fat loss resistance. Sermorelin improves sleep depth, REM cycle, nighttime growth hormone pulses. This alone improves fat loss, mood, and aging. Sermorelin and recovery. Recovery is not rest. It is a tissue repair driven by growth hormone and IGF-1. Sermorelin improves muscle repair, tendon healing, exercise recovery, injury resilience. Fat loss without recovery leads to burnout. Sermorelin prevents that. Sermorelin and anti-aging. Growth hormone improves collagen production, supports skin elasticity, maintains lean tissue, supports mitochondrial health. This is why Sermorelin improves skin, hair, body composition, energy. It's not cosmetic, it's cellular. So let's talk about when to use Sermorelin versus the other fat loss peptides. If someone has poor sleep, low energy, slow recovery, aging symptoms, fat loss resistance, Sermorelin addresses the root. Fat loss peptides are the tools. Sermorelin is the system. Sermorelin is not a quick fix. It doesn't spike growth hormone. It retrains your pituitary. That's why it feels subtle. But subtle biological correction creates permanent results. Why functional medicine loves Sermorelin? Sermorelin is loved in functional medicine world. It works with body, not against it. It restores rhythm, not override it. That's why it's used for longevity, recovery, metabolic health, body composition, and cognitive performance. Important safety point. Sermorelin is a prescription peptide. It should only be used under medical supervision. Remember, this video is educational only. So let's summarize it. Most fat loss tools treat the symptoms. Sermorelin treats the system. That's why it's not just a fat loss peptide. It's a metabolic recovery and anti-aging peptide. If you want more science-based peptides and hormone education, subscribe for more information. If someone you know is stuck despite dieting and training, share this. And if you want to understand your body instead of fighting it, Stay here. I'll see you in the next video.